If you have the EPSON printer and it assigned the old IP and you can't know what is IP and you need to reset EPSON for factory default. Now you can connect power. And connect Ethernet and connect it to laptop. Look for this reset power. Reset. You can reset from here. Okay. Now we can power off and press on reset. And power on again. Okay, this message say resetting to factory default. Now it's IP 192.168.192.168. You can take IP from the same subnet and can log in for the printer and assign you and be what you want for it's suitable for your network. And thank you.